All right, so you're probably watching this video because you want to know more about these hats. You want to see what it actually looks like. You want to get my opinion on it. Well, that's exactly why the company sent it to me, so I could make this video and share all of those thoughts with you. So these are basic yard hats, or maybe even called bucket hats, sun hats if you want to call it. Now, from a sizing perspective, they're like one size fits most, but I will say that I wear a size 8 fitted cap, so it's like a 25-inch head circumference, and I would say you wouldn't want to be any bigger than that for this. It fits me, but it's probably the top end of that, so keep that in mind whenever you're ordering your hat. Now, there's also a bunch of different colors as well. I picked one that was a very kind of a safari type of looking hat, but if you want something with more color, something with more pop, just something different, there's those for you, plenty to choose from. These do have these panels here on both sides, which just helps with some of that breathability, so that way whenever you are out in the sun and it's hot, that your head's, I mean, you're still going to sweat, but it's going to help with some of that ventilation on your head. It's also got the straps here. Now, these are removable, so if you weren't into the straps, pull the straps off. No problem. They're just a little latch on each side, and you can get rid of it. The brim is actually a pretty decent size, and it is somewhat pliable. You can kind of see whenever I push the sides up that it is more tilted up. If I want to do it more down, that it's more down. But generally, it is a floppy type of hat. But, you know, like I said, you don't need a crazy hat to be out in the yard doing work. You just need something that gives you good coverage and protection. Speaking of protection, by the way, UPF50 on these hats, just to give you a little bit of extra protection from the sun, which is always a good thing that you want in a sun hat, especially if you're going to be outside for very long. So if you're looking for an outdoors hat, you're going to be out in the elements, you want some protection, you want some shade, you want some ventilation, and maybe you want to look good doing it too, you should definitely be checking out these hats.